The honey badger verse of the day today is about loving our brothers. And it's also about Christ's return. Christ is returning. The believers need to be ready. And part of the way they show their readiness is loving one another with the love of Christ, which is an unconditional love. And working with their hands until Christ returns. And it's 1 Thessalonians 4:9 through 10. Now about brotherly love, we do not need to write to you. For yourselves have been taught by God to love one another. And you do love the brothers throughout Macedonia. And we ask you and urge you to do this more and more. And the brothers throughout Macedonia, that means that whole region. Macedonia was the capital of Thessalonica, where Paul was a missionary. And Paul is encouraging the people, the way you show your love is meeting together, not only sharing the gospel, but your own lives as well, it says in verse 2:8. And also by knowing the concerns of the people around you. Paul sent Timothy and Silas to build up this church. They were building these people up. And the way they did it is knowing the concerns the people had. Proverbs 27:23 says, know the care of your flock, the concerns of your herds. And when we know the concerns of the people around us, when we take care of them, when we show them the love of Christ, we build each other up. And Paul tells them, Christ is returning. And when he comes, every eye will see him, and that's how we know he's returned. But that doesn't mean you don't work. In fact, we need to be earnest with working with our hands. Paul himself was a tent maker, it says in Acts 18:3. And we need to be busy about the Lord's work. And part of the way we do that is showing love, and unconditional love. When we know a brother has a need, we come to him. When we know a sister is needing help, we offer that help. And as a church shows Christ in real actions, people outside the walls of faith will come into knowing Christ, because they'll see and know we're Christians by our love.